So to make our crab curry, we're going to need 1 kilo of crab, or whatever quantity that you have. We've got here fenugreek, fennel seeds and mustard seeds. We've got here some curry
Chopped
leaves
garlic.
and some chopped garlic. Here's some dry spices, which are 3 tablespoons of chili powder, roasted curry powder, and half a tablespoon of turmeric. We have here chopped onions and green chilies, and also some tamarind juice. So what's the first thing we're going to do,
All
Mum?
the seeds.
So all the
Mustard seeds.
mustard seeds are going in.
Boil, heat the oil. Put the pan.
And the mustard seeds will start popping. I'm sure you've seen it in our previous videos too.
Then put garlic and curry leaves. Onions and green chilies.
Like so. Sweat them down a little bit. When it's hot, we like to come and cook outside. So yeah, you guys are going to see us making crab curry, Sri Lankan crab curry. We use blue swimmer crab, I think they're called. But yeah, it's honestly one of my favorite things to eat, and if I could, I'd eat it every single day. You don't really need much to go with it, just a bit of rice. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy this as much as I will. Enjoy. Make sure you keep an eye on your onions so they don't burn or anything like that. We want to even brown in all the way around. So I thought I'll show you guys something as well. And obviously that's my mum. We've got the vesak kudu, because it was vesak the other day, which is obviously handmade. Beautiful. So now when the onions and your garlic is at this stage, we're going to add the main ingredient,
Crabs.
which is the crab. So once you've added the crab into your pan, we're going to add the dry spices that we mentioned earlier, like so. And then make sure you mix it and it gets incorporated nice and well. And yeah, just make sure you mix it all nice and well together so the spices spread evenly. So to make sure your crab cooks well and evenly,
So 2 cups of water.
we add 2 cups of water. And then we're going to add the tamarind juice also.
Yes. Half cup of tamarind juice.
Half cup of tamarind juice, like so. That gives a little bit of a sour taste to it, which is needed, which balances all the taste together.
So we need to boil it.
Now we let this cook down for a little bit. How long for?
It's nearly 15-20 minutes.
Yeah, it's not really long, so yeah. See you in a bit, guys. So one thing we did forget to mention, guys, is add obviously some salt to taste,
So put
like so.
1 tablespoon of
Yeah,
salt.
1 tablespoon of salt should be enough. You can add some coconut milk, which enhances the taste, but it's not essential. So,
Half
but-
cup of coconut.
but we like to, obviously. It makes it a bit
coconut
more thicker and a bit more rich.
Taste.
Yeah, and just mix it in. Look at it bubbling away. Beautiful. So now we're going to transfer it across. Look how beautiful it looks. So guys, a little update. I'm just chilling in the sun with my baby. So here is the final product. Look how beautiful it is. I know I keep saying it every single time, but there's no other word to explain it. Amazing.